In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook to your Mobile Legends account. The process is quite simple itself, so just follow along and try not to make any mistakes. Alright, so once you are inside your Mobile Legends account, what you can do is tap on your profile at the top left of your screen, and once your profile is open, just tap on your accounts on the left side of your screen. You can see accounts right here, and you can connect it to your Moonton accounts, your email, your TikTok account, and on third-party accounts, you can see different options like Google, Facebook, and Vidya account. To connect to Facebook, just tap on connect, and here you have an option to choose from. When you're connecting your account, will access your Facebook user information, friend list, and everything. So all of your friends will be there, but if you don't want that, you can just select connect account only and tap on OK. And it will open up your Facebook to verify. So you will just have to enter your Facebook login details. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on login. And from here, if you've set a two-factor authentication, you can just enter your or verify your authentication from here. And once you have approved your account, your Facebook will be connected to your account. So here you can just tap on your profile to check, head over to your account, and as you can see on Facebook account, it is right now connected right here. And that's how you can connect your Facebook to your Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, head down below to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.